Yes guys, welcome back to Season 2 of the Wolves career mode. Look at that budget. 139 million in the bank. Ain't Nuri to Aston Villa, that is not going to happen at all. I'm going to think about bringing in some other players though now. And just have a look at the freebies at the moment, like the free agents. Trying to figure out who I should bring in. I might bring in a left winger. A left winger, maybe a right back. I think the centre mid's kind of good at the moment. Cody I've got back in the squad. Let's have a look then. Let's have a look at some of the left wingers out there. But apart from that, it's looking kind of good. No, that's terrible. That's a terrible offer. Nunes. Teus Nunes for 45.6 million. It's a good offer. I don't know, it's hard. Right, I'm going to negotiate it. I'm going to start it off. I'll wait until they've scouted all those other players. How much do I have in the budget? Let me have a look. £197 million. Oof. I'll okay for that. £57 million for Kvaratskhelia. Manuel Lanzini. 23 mil plus Manuel Lanzini. We can negotiate this. I don't want Manuel Lanzini. I can get someone. We'll take that. Start him on the left. Gueda's on the way out as well. £67 million. No, I changed my mind. Isaac. 62 million. Mawani. probably go Isak. Oh, yeah, I might. Let's have a look what centre-mids there are. Right. There you go. 62 million. What I'm asking. So I'm going with. I don't even care about the friendlies, in all fairness. I don't even know who that was. I got a Cravat Skelly on there. Alright, I've taken it for 60 mil. We'll accept it. We made 3 major signings. If we can pull this off, how much budget I've got left, I'll tell you that now. I'll pull it about 60 mil maybe. That's perfect. That helps me for the 3rd season. Oh, look at his wage as well. Enzo Fernandez, hidden gem in the game. Oh, bollocks. I've got to try and go for him again. I've got to try and go for him again if I can. What a midfield. Lamar, Fratesi and Neves. Oh well. No, Fernandez can piss off. Anyway, first game's coming up against Leeds United. Definitely want to be thinking about trying to start of the season begins. Yeah, I like the way it's Molyneux will look like that. Oh, come on then, Jesse March. March on. That's what I say. March bloody on. Let's go. Pretty much for Tessie. Alright, Nuri's off. That's a shambles by Nuri there. Neto. Isak. 1-0. Get in there. That's what we wanted. Pedro Neto. Isak. Oh. Oh, I nearly had him. Ooh. What to save? No. And Leeds have equalised. South Boy did enough. And it fell right to Somerville. 1-1. 1 bloody all. Neto. Oh, he's in there. Oh, yes, Isaac. The man's possessed. Imagine if he gets 3 goals on his debut. A hat-trick on his debut. That's it. Oh. Yeah, no, it's a foul. And keep having shots like that, I'm not going to score. That is terrible defending, lads. Normally better from there. Isaac's in for his hat-trick. It's Isaac. Come on. Hat-trick on your debut. Isaac's running riot. Oh, I'm going to give away a penalty. No. As soon as that ball was played, I took the challenge. As soon as it went. Saar to keep us in the game. Oh yeah, well, we're still in the game. But to put Leeds back into it. I think Nuri's been rubbish. And he's injured. Oh, this ref's a joke. The ball's gone. Oh, ref's useless. They've lost the Reds. He's given another free kick. For what? What an idiot. Oh, that's rubbish. This could give away the game. What a save. Alright. Get someone else on the line. Now the keeper's got to get back. Oh, we'll take it. We'll take it. It's not the best defensively. I've got to change that up. Isaac has a hat-trick on his debut though. Ain't Nuri's out for 5 days. Work harder for Pedence. Need a centre back, I reckon. Who's that? Oh, yeah, that's Chiquinho. Oh, who's that? Couldn't tell. Fourth in the league, although we won. Well, we did win 3-2, so still got bits to work on. Gotta play Collins in this game. Don't think Kilman worked hard enough. I'm gonna stick to that front three. I thought they were terrific, especially Isaac. 3 goals on his debut. Kvaratskhelia. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh. Oh, ain't Nuri's gone. Take a corner. Already on the press. Playing on the back foot here. Dangerous. What a save by Saar. What a save. Oh, Lamar. Donkey. Donkey. Isaac's just gone for him. Isaac's going to get suspended at the moment. Where he's going. So, at the moment. Run on to that ain't Nuri. Oh, Kvaratskhelia. That's useless. That's a useless cross. You should be ashamed, Neves. Brilliant by Collins. That's 0-0 at the break. Surprised we're not scored. Oh, why are you attacking that for Tessie? Why isn't Fratesi attacking that? That's it. Play it from the back. Fratesi's shown all these attacking signs, but he's done nothing all game. It's really frustrating. That's it, Costello. Ref. Flipping heck. Oh. Fucking useless by Pedence. Again. Since I brought in Vishka, his confidence has completely dropped. And here we go again. I'm getting outplayed again. Oh. Doesn't deserve to be 0-0. Deserve to win this game. Get out of my flipping way, EA. Oh, why isn't Neves challenging for that either? Useless. Absolute shambles. 0-0. Crystal Palace will be delighted. We'll be fuming. Chiquinho loaned out. I've bought in 3 flipping players. What more do you want, Neves? I can't bring in 12 players, can I? Absolute idiot. We'll perform against Arsenal now, you watch. That's a good bite, Nuri. That's a good challenge. I think he's won that as well. Neto. Play the pass. Kvaratskhelia is on that left side again. Don't give a penalty for that. Pedence. Brilliant feet. Daniel Pedence. Oh. Oh, flipping ruin his opportunity, will ya? What an opportunity. That's a foul, referee. How have I missed that? Take him out. Get him on a, put him on a stretcher. Oh, I don't even care. Cody's in the book. Kvaratskhelia. You've got to find to do something, son. Pedence. My most lively looking player. Out on that pitch. Daniel Pedence. Livramento, that was superb. Kvaratskhelia. Oh. Oh, let him have his moment, Tamori. Belland. Oh, yes, Neves. Oh, for fuck's sake. Can't pass the ball for shit this lot now. Right, that is terrible defending. That's been my biggest weakness since this second season. Useless defending. It's like a defending. It's like watching a polar bear in an ice rink. Kvaratskhelia. Oh, he's got his first goal. Just like that. What an answer. One all. Right back in it now. Change my lineup then. Playing Isak on the left. On the right, sorry. Oh, Johnny, digging himself into a hole there, mate. Oh, say that's Neves as well. That's my highest rated player. My captain. Performing that. Useless. Ain't no he's come for wonders again. Prudence. Right, play it smart. That's it. Isak. You're in here. Drag it back. Isak. Come on. Alexander Isak. What a turnaround. The fight has been unreal. Actually fought back in this game. I thought Prudence in that middle actually. I changed my mind. Kvaratskhelia took too long. Prudence. Oh. Parcel. Oh, they're making a run. Brilliant by Kilman. We'll take the 3 points home. What a result that is. 2-1. Oh, I've won Premier League Manager of the Month award. Be the first of many. Could have sold Collins actually because I've got Gomez and Mascara as well. So I could have sold him. Didn't feel like I needed to though. No, I'm not going to let it. I'm going to buy him. Anyway guys, I'm going to leave it there. If you enjoyed that video, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.